Hello, very good morning children. Welcome to the class SST class 9th. Children, today I am going to take lesson electoral politics. Today I am going to explain you the basic concept election. Election. First of all, we should know what is election. Election helps the voter to choose the representative who will make the law for them and form a government and take a major decision. Is it clear, children? Electoral elections helps voters to choose representative and who will make a law and for them, who will make laws for them and form the government and take major decision. This is election. Number 2, we come to know that elections are democratic way of selecting representatives, and third, thus the election mechanism by the which the people can choose after representatives at the regular intervals and change them if they wish to. फोर्थ कॉन्सेप्ट इसका ये है कि दे एंश्योर दैट द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव रूलर्स आर rule as a per wishes for the people. Understand? And fifth, the voter can choose the party whose policies will guide the government and law making. Understand? This is election. Now what is election? In definition we can say elections are organized way through which the people cast their vote and elect their representatives to various public position. जैसे you are free to elect a leader, and election constitute ends of democracy in which the people representative are elected by the adult populations of the country. Importance of the elections क्या है? Importance of the election is that it is an indirect democracy through which the people elect their through which people elect their representative. अगर डेमोक्रेसी है तो दे आर हेल्डिंग इलेक्शंस एंड सो दैट दे कैन इलेक्ट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हु मेक द लॉ फॉर देम, जो उनके लिए लॉ बनाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? इट इज़ थ्रू द इलेक्शन पीपल एक्सरसाइज देयर चॉइस. It is depends on the people कि whether they are choosing first, suppose there is two party, A party and B party, so he has to elect whether he is voting to A party or a B party. It allows for the government base of the constant of the people, and it completes the political leaders work for the welfare for the people. In the same way, in the lesson also we can discuss this, that why we need a democracy. ये तो हो गया था election. तो you are the person who is elect themselves. It is up to you, your wishes of the people, कि to whom he represent the representative, to elect the representative who make the law for them. And election are most important in that democracy through which the people elect their representative, जिसको वो पसंद करते हैं elect करना, जिसको वो वोट देना चाहते हैं. Understand? Elections are organized way through which the people cast their vote, जिसको वो वोट देना चाहते हैं, and elect their representative to the various public position. Understand? नेक्स्ट, ये तो हो गया था इलेक्शंस. आप कैसे इलेक्शन को चूज़ करते हो, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कैसे चूज़ करता है, बाय गिविंग द वोट एंड हुज पार्टी दे वांट टू चूज़. नाउ व्हाई वी नीड इलेक्शन. तो इलेक्शन क्यों होना चाहिए? इलेक्शन इसलिए होना चाहिए because elections are required because it is possible to retain the democracy without any election. अगर democracy नहीं होगी तो election cannot be held. Understand? So all the people sit together day to day and make all decision. ये तो कोई possible नहीं है कि सारे जाने एक साथ इकट्ठा होके और बैठ के decision लें. Understand? तो in therefore firstly it is not possible for all of them to sit together in one place, कि एक प्लेस पे बैठ के सब लोग डिसीजन लें. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सेकेंडली ऑल द पीपल कैन नाइदर डिवोटेड, किसी के पास इतना टाइम भी नहीं है तो कि दे हैव ए कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं टू मेक ए डिसीजन इन ऑल द मैटर, सारे मैटर्स में वो डिसीजन ले सकें. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड डिफिकल्टी परस्यूट द पीपल इन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज टू रूल थ्रू देयर. इट इज दीज प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टीज परस्यूड आती हैं तो पीपल डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज टू rule through their representative. Is it clear, children? What is democracy? I have told you what is democracy and what is election. Two questions are there. What is election and what is why do we need election? हमें election क्यों ज़रूरत है? तो every 5 years they held an election in a democratic country. Is it clear, children? And next we can also say that selecting representative without election, इज देयर डेमोक्रेटिक वे और ए सिलेक्टिंग, दो तरीके से डेमोक्रेटिक वे से इलेक्ट कर सकते हो या सिलेक्टिंग ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव विदाउट इलेक्शन. हाउ इट कैन, इफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आर नॉट इलेक्टेड दे हैव टू बी सिलेक्टेड. अगर इलेक्ट नहीं किया जाता, इलेक्शन हेल्ड नहीं होता, दे हैव टू सिलेक्टेड. तो देन व्हाट हैपन, दे हैज़ ए सम मोर क्राइटेरिया रहा सेक्शंस में. कैसे, लाइक द एज के थ्रू आप वोट दे सकते हो कि हाउ मच इज education knowledge. Suppose it has also been possible to decide upon the representative who are fit for the merits, तो ऐसा possible नहीं है. So therefore there is a we can say that in such places a democracy. What is indications of these representative with having a popular support? A popular support क्या है? That are there assured that all these representative rule according, क्या ये श्योर है कि सारे जितने भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं वो अकॉर्डिंग टू विशेस ऑफ द पीपल दे कैन डू द वर्क? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. तो how to remove the representative who lose the popular sports? How it can be removed? The people have a liberty to choose their, therefore इसीलिए elections are held so that people have their liberty to choose. Liberty means they are having freedom to choose their representatives regularly and change them if they lose the popular support. This system is called election. Understand? What makes a now I am talking about these जैसे आपकी बुक में सिलेबस में है कि जैसे वी कैन से डेट इन हरियाणा 1987 में व्हाट हैपन, कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज़ बीन लीडिंग ए गवर्नमेंट दिस स्टेट इन 1982 and formed a opposition leader जैसे चौधरी देवीलाल, and चौधरी देवीलाल are started a struggle for justice. Understand? And Devilal has voters. It can be a Devilal promise that अगर if he is a winner, अगर वो win हो जाएगा election में, तो they have promised to the people that they have promised the people that he will take the actions by this government, by his government. अगर उसकी सरकार बनेगी तो by his government he would give loan to the farmers and small businessmen. Understand? तो देवीलाल promised to give the loan to the whom? Farmers and the small businessmen. This election now what happened? The Devilal promise was good enough for the voters that they were not very satisfied with the existing rule party. People, voters are warmly in favor of लोक दल, तो वो लोक दल की फेवर में थे. Understand? तो in this way we can say this is what is one question, what is election and what is how the people, how you can choose your leader, or why do we need election, हमें election क्यों होता है, how many years it can be, after every 5 years, and each vote has their equal value. Okay children, and we can continue this lesson by tomorrow in your next class, okay.